In this question, you have to identify the organism in which spores are produced exogenously after karyogamy followed by meiosis. Option A, Neurospora. It is incorrect because in Neurospora, karyogamy and meiosis occurs inside the ascus, producing spores endogenously. Option B, Alternaria. It is also incorrect because it is a fungi where sexual reproduction, including karyogamy and meiosis, is not observed. It reproduces asexually via conidia. Option C, Saccharomyces. It is also incorrect because in Saccharomyces, spores are produced endogenously inside an ascus after karyogamy and meiosis. Option D, Agaricus. Now, agaricus, that is mushroom, produces basidiospores exogenously on the tips of specialized structure called basidia following karyogamy and meiosis. Hence, it is the correct option.